A graceful swan princess with a crown on her head and kindness in her heart. Draw the swan's outline with a smooth curve for the neck, fluffy wings, and her lovely crown on top. Don't forget the round eye and little blush circle on her cheek. Feel free to use your own colors, and don't forget to download the outline to paint along. Fill the entire body with white to make her look clean and pure, like a graceful princess from a snowy lake. The beak is a bright orange, warm and cheerful, like a little sunshine on her face. A round pink blush on her cheek makes her look happy and proud. Use a golden yellow to make the crown shine, because she's the princess of the lake. Use a light purple to gently shade under her wings and around the edges. It gives her a soft, graceful look. She's floating on water. Let's add circular ripples with a calm blue. Draw some yellow and purple stars around her, as if magic just appeared around this graceful swan. Your swan is now shining like she just swam out of a fairy tale. The mirror doesn't define you. The magic inside does.